Hi everybody, this is Janine. As you know, I enjoy baking and cooking and trying new recipes. I'm also a huge animal and nature lover. I've always said I couldn't live without my dogs, but now, with social isolation and spending more time indoors, they've reminded me how much that statement is so true. So I decided to make them an extra special treat to show them how much I love them: homemade dog biscuits. Today, I'm going to show you how easy they are to make with just a few ingredients. Let's get started. Here are some of the ingredients you will need. 3 cups of whole wheat flour, 1 egg, half a cup of mashed sweet potato, 1/4 cup of thawed frozen peas, half a cup of shredded carrots, 2/3 cup of water. Mix the ingredients together in a large bowl. Knead the mixture until it forms a dough. Now roll the dough out about 1/4 inch thick. Now cut the dough out into shapes and put them on parchment paper lined sheet pan. Bake them at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes or until crispy. When they're done, cool them on a wire rack. Now see if your dog likes them. I know mine did.